Hi everyone! Welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to check if your iPhone is original or fake. Whether you've already bought an iPhone or you're planning to purchase a used one, this is a quick way to verify that it's a genuine Apple device.
First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. If you can't find it on your home screen, swipe down to open Spotlight Search. Type Settings in the search bar and tap on it when it appears. Once you're in Settings, look for General and tap on it. Next, tap About. Here, you'll find your iPhone's serial number. Press and hold the serial number, then tap Copy. Now, exit Settings and open your default web browser, whether that's Safari or Chrome. In the address bar at the top, type checkcoverage.apple.com, then tap Go on the keyboard. When the Apple website loads, scroll down until you see the field where you can enter a serial number. Tap inside the field, then tap Paste to insert the serial number you copied a moment ago. If you're asked to complete a verification, do that first, then tap Submit. After a few seconds, Apple will check the serial number. If information about the device appears, such as the model or its coverage details, that's a good sign that the iPhone is a genuine Apple device. However, if the serial number isn't recognized or Apple says it's invalid, you should be careful, especially if you're planning to buy that iPhone. It could mean there's an issue with the device, so it's worth doing a few more checks before making a purchase. And that's it. Now you know how to check if an iPhone is original or fake.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.